Tucked away in the heart of the city, ChopD is gaining traction. More consumers are seeking alternatives to traditional fast food. With the Business Review, here's Deidre Thomas.
In a food culture often dominated by plastic packaging and processed ingredients, one small restaurant is carving its way into hearts and taste buds of patrons. Quite literally, everything is chopped, says Catherine Evelyn, Group Manager of ChopD.
We felt like there was a need in the marketplace for something fresh, healthy, a better alternative to something that's considered fast food, because this is fast. It's a quick service setup. So things move quickly in and out, but it's fresh. It's healthy, good, fresh.
Since its opening, the company has become known for its salad, wraps, and bowls, all made to order.
We make all our dressings here and sauces that we use for things, and we try to stay innovative and interesting. So we pull flavor profiles from experiences from other countries, from what's in season in Jamaica. We take a little tweak on something traditional and give it a little bit of a different edge.
One key element setting the business apart is its commitment to sourcing local ingredients reaped from nearby farms. The eatery benefits from steady foot traffic, with passers-by often stopping in, having gotten a whiff of the food's aroma, then returning to sample the mouth-watering delight.
On a good day, probably somewhere, I want to say maybe 50 guests, 50 to 70 guests, maybe even more towards the end of the week. It's really hard to say because during the week we get a lot of people who are working, going back to work. We get a lot of people coming in like after they picked up their kids from school. And then on Saturday, which is the only day on the weekend that we're open right now, we get a lot of people who are in a more relaxed mood.
As demand grows, ChopD is eyeing potential partnerships to expand its reach, having already teamed up with 7 Crave as a strategic delivery partner. Still, the journey hasn't been without its sharp edges.
It's a small space, and we want to do a lot of different things, but we're limited. So basically our service area is the kitchen. What you see is everything. So the challenge is people working in a small space and trying to get a lot of things done within that space. Another challenge is, where we're situated in a plaza. Sometimes at lunchtime, parking can be a little hard.
As the buzz around the eatery intensifies, the business owner has big plans.
Long term is to multiply and duplicate and, have many ChopDs throughout Jamaica, all different places.
With a Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.